Hi, Shimmy Shaker, and welcome to our July's favourite video. So in this video, I'm going to go through my favourite moves of July. This month, it's been an interesting month. It was very exciting to go back to classes in person again. I was so happy doing classes again. And then pretty quickly, 2 weeks later, it stopped. So we've started our daily dance challenge again. We've still been dancing in the mornings. It's been cold most mornings, but you can see it's a beautiful day here now. And otherwise, it's still dancing, not really performing, but just doing it for myself and having fun. I hope you are too. So what moves have I been getting into this month? Firstly, some shimmies. Shimmies are great. I don't know what it is about shimmies, but they always make you feel good and they always bring that energy up and that joy up as well. So I'll just demo a few of my favorite shimmies of this month. We're starting with our feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up, hands on the boardroom table, bending one knee, then the other, and then going really, really fast. One of my favorite moves this month has been traveling shimmies. So if you're doing your traveling shimmy, remember that you want to start on the leg that is on the floor, and that's the foot that you're shimmying, and then coming into the next one. So as you step, you're changing the shimmy from one leg to the other as our weight changes between feet. And if you're feeling confident, this is this one, you can add in a little Sohiyazaki step, which is our hip shift, where you bring your hip up using that foot to lift up off the floor, but also getting those nice rolls through the stomach so you can come up and down, up and down. And then if you bring it into your shimmy, take your shimmy and drop. So every time you bring that foot in, you're dropping that hip, and the accent is always on the down. Such a nice one to travel with, but also really, really nice just to warm up in the morning. Get the brain working, give yourself some energy, and give yourself a little bit of a challenge as well. Okay, the second move that I've been doing heaps of in July is not necessarily a belly dancing move, but it's really, really good for our belly dancing, and that is our leg workouts. So all the gyms are closed here at the moment. Haven't been able to go to the gym as I usually do. And instead I've been focusing on moves that I usually find really difficult that aren't typical, I guess, for my body. So starting, keeping one leg nice and bent, bringing the other leg out, keeping that little bend in the knee, and then bringing that leg up. This really gets to work through those glute muscles. Actually, I've got a whole workout video on these ones. I can link that below. But as you can see, really, really good for your balance, really good for your ankle strength. This leg is bent and turned out over the foot. And really good through here for those arabesques and sweeps as well. Another way to do it is to face with the leg behind and then little lifts. You'll feel this one working through here really quickly too. Okay, and my final favorite move of this month has been something a little bit more restorative, as all those yogis would say, and that is releasing through the glutes, releasing through the hips. So to do this one, you can just bring one leg over. So I'm bringing my foot over my knee and then sinking down, feeling a nice release through here. And this is a really beautiful one to do at the end of the day, especially if you're doing those kind of leg workouts and getting those muscles moving. And you can also push down the knee to feel it getting into your hip. Also a nice one for balance, but if you don't want to balance with this one, you can hold on to something or you can even lie down and do it. And there you go. So they're the moves I've been loving this month. Kind of different moves this month as we have cold weather, but also staying at home a lot. What were your favorite moves of this month? What have you been dancing to? What have you been doing? Let me know which songs as well. Always great to hear from you. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye.